Okay, Wyoming Rick Treasure Reveal. I've got 10 rows of nickels that I got from a bank. As a matter of fact, these came from Wells Fargo. I'm a non-customer there, but they did give me 10 rows. And they're circulating nickels, so I'm going to open these up and we'll see what we find. Please hit like and subscribe if you like this content. And let's see what we can find. Nickels, I'm sure, is going to be a lot better than those half dollars. At least I'll find something. And what I like about this first row, you can see on the end, that's an older nickel. So that's going to be a find right off the bat. It looks like it's going to be. We're going to find out. All right, let me open this up and lay these out, and we'll see. We'll see if we got anything. Maybe we'll get a war nickel, maybe some buffalo nickels. We'll see what happens here. Let's see what this nickel is. It's on this end. Okay, it fell out kind of awkwardly. Let's pick this one up. And wow, it looked old. It really did. 1979, just a real filthy nickel. You filthy bum. Get out of here. Okay, let me go ahead and let's just scroll on through these right here. And let me get this zoomed correct. And I'm going to just slide these out of here. And what I'm going to do is just look at them kind of quickly. Let's see if I see anything. And I think I do right here. It's 1957. So that's a decent find. I keep anything from 1959 on down. And that one don't even look as old as the one that was 1970 something that I just pulled out that looked like an old ender. So how do you like that? So anyway, I'm going to flip these over. And remember to look for the 2024s. I just learned that they are worth anywhere from $2 to $4 a piece. So I called several of the banks today and to see if I could, possibly find some that's in original wrap rows, OWRs, and none of the banks had them. They said everything that they got's, they're all circulated mixed. So they said if you find any 2024s, they're going to be in just mixed with other nickels. So, all right, now I'm going to get back on the hunt, and I'll bring you in once I find something. Okay, row number 3 came through for me. So I've got it sitting there, and you should be able to see it. Let's pick it up and bring it a little closer to the camera. It is a buffalo nickel, 1937. We'll flip it over and look on the back. I do not see a mint mark, but it's a 1937. Row number 3 came through for me. Let's see what I can find in row number 4. Maybe I'll find some more. And let me go ahead and just scroll on down through these right here and see if I can find anything else here. I don't think I see anything else, but I will go through these a little better at the end just to see what I can find. I typically like doing these out of the bags, but this is what I was able to get, so I'm going to go ahead and do these this way. This one's really beat up, but I don't think it's anything special. Nope, 1987. Okay. All right, so in row number 3, which came through for me, I found a buffalo nickel. All right, let's go ahead and I'll open up row number 4 while I've got you here, and we'll see what we can find here. In this little nickel row, see what we can find. Hell, I was really surprised to find that buffalo nickel that quick in that row. So this is from Wells Fargo. So let's see if row number 4 has some more. Just in the mood for poetry, so sorry about that. Okay, row number 4. Falling on the floor. Okay, scoot these back a little bit where we can see. And I don't see anything yet. That one's real shiny. What's the chances of it being a 24? It's a 23. Okay, let's keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, and I don't see anything else that looks like an older nickel there at all. So, now this is not an older nickel. 1977. Just kind of had the appearance for a second. Okay, let's slide all these out of the way. And let's go and grab some more. All right, I'll see what I can find and get right back with you. Row number 6 has given me a 1947. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Row number 6 is picking it up. So I found 3 finds in the 6 rows so far. 1964, 1964 back-to-backs, and those last 2 coins were a nothing burger. Okay, I'll look in the next 4 rows and get back with the final count of what I found. Okay, I found find number 4 in row number 7. It just slid. You saw it slid there. Slide. 1941. And it is a Denver. So that's the 4th find in 7 rows. This one looks really shiny, but it's a 2022. It's not the 2024, which would be worth $2 to $4 at this present time. That's kind of the way it goes. But maybe you can see this. It's a 1946, and it is filthy. It is filthy, and it is a D, 1950 D. So that's the 5th find in 8 rows. There's 2 rows to go, and I didn't really see anything else in these right here. So I'm going to continue to look. Need to get me a little slip pad, grip pad to put these on. Okay, I did find a 1959. So I'm doing pretty good in this. So this would be 6 in the 8 rows so far. And I'll look through my other pile here in just a little bit that I've slid to the side and make sure I haven't missed anything. Make sure I haven't missed any 2024s. Okay, rows 9 and 10 and the final results to come. Okay, out of these 10 rows from Wells Fargo, I got 10 finds. So I'll show you the last 4. I've got a 1948, several 1940s, a 1940. I'll put that one there on the 40 pile. A 1949. See what I mean? There's 3. And then a 1939. I looked at the back already. It does not have a mint mark. So there's 4. There's my buffalo nickel I found. 1937. Let me widen that out. 1937. It does not have a mint mark, as we learned a while ago. Okay. And then here's the 1959 that I found. So there's 3 40s there. This one is a 19. This is that trashed colored one. That's 4. That's 1946. Here's 1941. It did not have a, yeah, it does have the mint mark. It has a D, as we looked at a while ago. So there's 5 from the 40s. Here's 1947. That's 6 from the 40s. And a 1957. So 6 from the 40s. Okay, 6 from the 40s. Let me lay these out. There's 1 from the 30s. This one's the 30s. Here's the 40s. There's 6 of these. And then I had 2 1950s. So that makes 9 total. And then my buffalo nickel. Let me get it over here where we see it. That makes 10. So 10 finds. So I'm really happy with this. So anytime you find a buffalo nickel in your hunt, that's a good, decent little hunt, especially out of 10 rows. So I got 1 keeper per row. I'll take that any day, all day, every day. Thank you for viewing the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.